97 X-ray, verify your call sign. Center in 179 for the X-ray. The surface wind is calm, clear for takeoff. Say again? Radio at 10 West, I will switch you to Miami.
Ground West is 702, ready to taxi from Big Blue. Yeah, right now.
702 taxi, runway 6, wind 090 degrees at 5 altimeter 3008.
Copy conditions, taxi 6, 008 West in 702. Alright, Hoppers.
Archer about.
External phone.
Offer more.
Mercy lights, music fans, avionics, jumper style, seatbelt sign, motor caution, over CDP,
check.
flight instruments,
check.
engine instruments,
check.
hydraulic panel,
check.
radar standby, condition levels.
Red marks.
Then we cleared to taxi.
Roger.
Alright, it's clear all the way around.
That's clear. Alright, right T taxi check, see you later.
Check. Park and brake.
Release.
Brakes.
Test it.
Some of this 008 set right.
008 left at center.
Fly 0 to King 0.
Gate 0.
92% set.
Set.
Trims is 3/4 up, 0 and off the right.
3/4 0 left.
TKS phone is testing the set 4752.
Check.
Flight instruments video set to the right.
Check.
Right seat off 6, center copy cross, profile, flaps, 0, method C.
And your flight plan is
On the reverse seats, previously free,
activated.
speeds 12, 16, 18, 22, 12 to return, set on the right.
On the left.
Reading on Tinica.
Check.
And right is clear.
Left side's clear.
Freeport Tower West, Jet 702, threshold 1. Correction, threshold 6 ready.
Western 702, surface wind light and verbal, clear for takeoff.
Clear to go west at 702. Clear for takeoff. Roger.
Where'd they go?
Tops are free. Walk correct. Condition levels boxing on crossing left hand close on the coastal door.
Coastal door.
Expedition has required a standby shuttle security. Left. Cabs notified to the line complete.
Check.
And the right is clear.
That's right, final clear. Take a blow.
Check. Please all stand feet on right zone of SCP strike. TCAS supporters all now taking off when the bit is pushed. Run heading spot below lines complete.
Check this boogie.
On the course now.
Take off off.
Set. Indicating speed alive 60 knots.
Check control.
My controls.
8 knots cross check. You just green, no flags.
Check.
You want? Yeah.
Buzzer it? Yeah, everything I asked, you're down for.
Jason Chances here, selected, you're down for, engaged. Get up the lights. Check. Look up your clean.
Flaps climb, power climb checked.
Power set, good and everything.
For 1,000.
Check. Right side, left side, best be clear.
Right side, rest to be clear.
Was out 1154 or 57 with 9 passengers. 1500 on the fuel. Nassau at 1209. Beginning direct 210.
Yeah.
1 Miami Center, Western 702. Crossing Seeger, climbing from 6,700 to 9,000. Requesting 11,000.
Have your 1223 Miami Center, climb and maintain flight level 410. WesternAir 702 Miami Center, radar contact about 13 miles southeast Freeport, out of 6,900, climb maintain 11,000. They Freeport altimeter 3007.
Climb maintain 11,000, Western 702, requesting direct Nassau, enable.
Lead clear direct Nassau.
Thank you, sir, clear direct Nassau. 11,000, set clear direct Nassau.
My serving 897, contact Miami Center 127.22.
Good. GPS on please.
I'm a 201, clear direct decal. SL aircraft hazardous weather information, Miami Center weather advisory 102, vow until 1400 Zulu. From the Cross City to St. Pete area, thunderstorms with moderate to heavy precipitation moving from 080 at 10 knots, stops above flight level 450, expecting a little change over the next few hours. More information on the high watts flight service.
One right.
That's for check, yeah, let's deviate right, of course.
Miami Center, Western 702, requesting right deviation, of course.
Western 702, approved as requested.
Right deviation approved, Western 702.
1,000 to go.
Check.
Automaker 792 left, of course approved.
It is,
What has been flagged? C516?
yeah, it's been
Western
canceled.
702 traffic at your 12 o'clock and 5 mile northwestbound indicating 10,500 feet. Advise when you have in sight.
Alright, keep an eye for the traffic, Western 702.
Western 702, if you want to come left, of course, to miss that traffic, it's approved. Left.
Traffic.
Roger, left across Western 702. We have traffic on T-gas looking.
No, she won't sing.
Monitor vertical speed.
Okay, Jarvis.
Roubaix 20 Miami Center, climb maintain, flight level 370.
I do not see him.
Shoot off the right side down.
Still low. Got him in sight.
Check.
Caravan.
Traffic side 702.
Watermaker 792 seconds, sir.
Clear of conflict.
That's Western 702, you have the traffic in sight.
Western 702, thank you, and Watermaker 792.
You can now approach Western 702, level 1000.
Western 702, Nassau approach, radar contact. Pilot's discretion at 2000, advise 14 in sight for visual approach.
PD to 2000, advise visual for 14, Western 702.
RAF is 12 and clean is 22.
12, 22. Alright, currently 210, 1000, descending to 2000. Your controls are autopilot and outsource.
Alright, well, my autopilot back controls been out, so I was giving 11,000 for 2,000.
Hey, check.
And set on approach.
Exterior lights coming on out of 10,000 feet. C sign is currently on. Fuel is in balance and within limits. Pressure to check within the limits. Terminal set for 3007 left and center.
Set 6 as per the 8 is.
Right. Oh, reset up 6. And approach brief. Runway 14 is in use.
Is completed. ILS.
Check.
And expecting the visual to 14. Standard company course profile. Flat 20. All emergencies previously brief. Speeds is 12 and 22.
Check. Set on the left.
Check.
Flight minutes are ready to set left.
One now, show
Set
approach.
right.
Up the back.
Check.
Altitude captured.
Check. Variable at 4 knots. That's a lie. Set.
100% EPA.
About 15.
Speed check is good. FD is selected.
Set the APA.
Check, indicate 15.
Even 1500, 400, get out.
Okay, here we go. Gears in transit.
Flaps 20 before landing check.
20 selected. Landing gears down, lock and 3 green.
3 green.
Oxygen is off, condition is on, max and lock, seat order set, 94 go.
Set.
Auto goes on, I try to plan a check, inch are closed, flaps at 20 green, 20.
20.
Landing checks is complete, clear the line, cabin required.
Check. Autopilot disengage, set to go.
Check. Going up to 1500 feet.
1500 set.
We're California 30. 807, sorry, at the threshold ready. Delta 807, Roger, hold short, runway 14. Holding short 807.
Sky ground, 5 to ground.
Check.
Effort to 15.
Reducing.
Plus 10.
Check, reducing.
Salvage at 807, line up a week, running 14.
Add ref. Soft open. My control.
60 knots, all controls.
Western 702 left, ground 1.7.
Delta Point 7, 702 goodbye. Crown Western 702, Delta apron 4.
Western 702, Nassau ground, taxi apron 4.
Taxi and apron 4, 702. Right is clear.
That's it. The flaps about to landing, Jim.
Is complete.
Check.
702.